Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing. We have a new month ahead of us, guys. Halloween is just around the corner, and then Santa Claus will be popping in. So hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. What is this? Cinderella. Oh boy. Alright, let's see what's inside here. And of course, if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out now, and if you have some free time, you can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And this is coming from Nebula or Bugani, tuned by Monster. Okay, I do believe this is Monster. Full screen light show. Whoa. 6 modes. And this might be my computer Bluetooth. I'm going to set that up for my soundbar. IPX5 water resistant SD card. Large capacity battery. So you can take this outside, on the beach. TWS function. So, light show. Base 360 SD card USB-C. This does look sweet. This is a Nebula 100 wireless speaker tuned by Monster. I think it is a Monster. I got 2 different names, so it got Bugani and Nebula. But whatever it's gonna be, I'll have the link corrected down below and in the title. So it's got to be one of those 3, I do believe. Let's see what this thing looks like. This is a pretty cool speaker, though. Great for your camping trips outside, ice fishing, hunting season. What is it? Bow season now. So this would be a nice one to get. Take this with you. Watch some movies on Prime Video. Here we go. I just can't believe how fast this year is flying by. It is zooming a lot faster than the that one year we had to deal with. So, but yeah, this year has been flying. Can't believe hockey season's already. Ooh, this is nice. Something different. Yeah, it's called Bugani. So this is Bugani Nebula 100. And then, I guess the Monster team helped these guys out. So that's pretty cool. Teamwork. Sometimes you gotta have teamwork, but the right team. If you got the wrong team, bad things happen. I've been on both sides. Look at this bad boy. Speaker on there. Kind of looks like a mug for your coffee. You know, twist top, pour it a little bit. Hey, a portable Bluetooth coffee mug. That'd be cool. Buttons right here. Alright, where do I turn it on? Let there be power. Anything? Oh, maybe here. No, USB, SD slot right in there. If you guys could see it. I don't twist it. Hold it for a few seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I might have to charge this then. Hold on one sec. Aha! It's on this side. So you get the light show right there. Bluetooth mode. It says long press for 2 seconds. 1. Ooh.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Whoa. It's like LED. Wow. Look at that. This is with the lights on. This is sweet. It's pretty trippy. It's like a lava lamp with the LED board in the way. Oh, there's a boom, 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 boom. That's where all the magic happens. Look at that, though. That is really cool. I'd be amazed staring at this thing for a couple hours, you know? Especially on a camping trip. This is definitely unique of its own. Definitely don't see a lot of speakers like these at all that I could have seen on the internet. It's definitely one of the first. But solid kind of plastic. I'm not sure what kind of plastic that is, but I could knock somebody out with this for sure. But look at that. We'll definitely get some music going in a second. I just wait until my iPhone to charge up a little bit. Bugani. Kind of sounds like a Bugatti. That is sweet though. I think we went already through the whole schmeal with the lights changing, so that is definitely really cool. See if we could just... Oh yeah, see? Alright. Here's one mode. Whoa. Second mode, so party mode. You know, after a few beers by the campfire. Get the disco going. Alright, that one's kind of chilled. But it is really bright with the lights on. That's crazy though. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Alright, that looks like kind of like a battery charge, you know, going up. Whoa. Alright. I think this is the end. Yep. We went through all the modes. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 modes. Not bad at all. So this is something different to give somebody. Be nice for their college dorm, their apartment, your work area, you know. Nice conversation piece. And all you gotta say, Bugani. Alright, we're gonna keep it there. I'm gonna check on my phone and see, hopefully it's done charging.
Success.
Alright, I found it. It's called, like I said, Bugani, the Bluetooth Nebula 100. It's right there. I got a lot of Bluetooth devices connected. So, now let's play some YouTube. Uncopyrighted music. There we go. Coming up. Non-copyrighted. Alright, alright.
I've been using...
Oops. I had to turn that down. Shoot. Here we go. We're starting. Got the iPhone going.
If you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go myself. Where were you when my heart was
guys, there you have it. Nebula 100 by Bugani. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good weekend.